Good morning, Sir Jim Carpio. In this video, I will demonstrate on how to use analog multimeter in measuring current. In measuring, you should know how to read the scale indicated on the multimeter. So let's proceed. First, insert the probes into the correct connections. This is required because there may be a number of different connections that can be used. I will insert my black probe to the negative terminal. And my red probe to the positive terminal. Since my circuit source is battery and battery is DC and I am measuring current, so I will insert my red probe to the positive terminal that has 10A and a straight line with dots. Then I will set my selector knob to DCMA mode of my multimeter and select the highest range, which is 250 and 10 ampere. So I will read it from 0 to 10. Since I'm measuring DC, so it has a polarity, so the red probe should be connected on the positive line or wire, and the black probe to the negative line or wire. As we can see, the needle pointer moves from 0 and ends at the third line. So 0.2, 0.4, and 0.6. And now we know the measurement of the current of this circuit, which is 0.6 amperes. Thank you.